this tutorial is to customize templates for starter columbar. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to create a folder for reinforcement to work. Click on new folder, name it as reinforcement. Just name it as reinforcement. Name it as reinforcement. Move it under checklist. You click it twice. Can you see now it's under checklist? Good. Under this reinforcement, you create takeoff tools that will be used for our starter columbar, and I'm making use of count toolbar to take off for our starter columbar. Click on it, name it as reinforcement columbar. Okay, move it under reinforcement. Now move this reinforcement column in base mat to under this reinforcement. And so now the two are under the reinforcement. So now let us work on this starter columbar. Double click on it to advance. There are some properties that you have to create. You create all the properties under estimating column. Let me first show you what we are going to create. You have diameter, bar width, bar numbers, projection, foundation, height, horizontal bend, column base, and base cover. Let me show you the sketch that we want to work on. So now, this is the section of the foundation. This is the GPC, hardcore, block wall, column base, So now, the concrete for the column terminate under this DPC. So now, the concrete for the column is 465 plus 600 minus 150. So for us to determine the foundation height, the foundation height, that will be the foundation height. You won't add this column base to it. That will be 465 plus 600. That is 1065. Our column base is 300. This one is blinding. Don't have any business with it. Our foundation base is 300. So the concrete cover is 50 mm. It's 50 mm. It's 50 mm. And for us to deduct the cover from total length, this is the projection. Projection is 800. For us to deduct the cover from total length that we get for the starter columbar, that will be 50 mm plus the diameter of the column base mat. That is, if the column base mat is 12 mm, for example, that is 12 mm times 2, that is, this is the bottom BB for the column base mark, and the one on it is top, the right standing. So that will be 12 times 2, that will be 24, right? That will be 24 plus 50 mm. The addition of the two will be deducted from the total length that you get. So now let us create the properties. First, click on this quantity, click on insert property. Let's start from diameter. In mm, diameter, double click on it again. Under this, type the diameter you have 16. Let's start from 12, drop it down, 16, 20, just about 25 mm. You can check it out, you can change it to anyone you like. Diameter mm. So now, next, bar width. Bar width. What is bar width of 12 mm? 12 mm is 0.888. Drop it down. Bar width of 16 mm is 1.578. Drop it down. Bar width of 20 mm, that is 2.466. Drop it down. Bar width of 25 mm, that is 3.854. Click OK. You can check it out here. So then new diameter that you select. Then next we have, just check it for confirmation. We have done diameter bar width, bar numbers, come down to this column. Okay, 4, put it down, 6, 8, and check it out here. 4. So now, under bar width, it's kg, kilogram. Then under bar numbers, your numbers. So next, after bar numbers, you have projection, foundation height. You have projection, you can determine the projection by yourself. Meter, projection, then foundation height. Foundation height. Then after foundation height, column base, after column base, cover, maybe base cover, base cover. Yeah. Horizontal bend. This cover. So in meter. Horizontal bend. Horizontal bend. Yeah. Good. Let us arrange. Okay. Horizontal bend in meter. Let us rearrange it. Move the diameter up. Bar width up. One numbers. Projection. The foundation height. Horizontal bend up. Column width. Yeah. Let us mark this size. On this, unmark it. Under the field, unmark it. Excluding the column, excluding the color. Then what next? Draw some properties that you have to show under layout. Under layout. So you have to show this base cover. This cover, you don't have to show it, that one is number. Base cover. Okay, you can determine by doing with the thickness of the diameter of the reinforcement of column base mat. So what next? Column base, yes, you have to show it. Horizontal bench, yes. Foundation height, yes. Projection necessary. Bar numbers important. That way, yes, you can show it. Yeah, you can show it. So check our layout. So now let us show all the. Then it remains something. Okay, that was it. So just bring the name up. The name up. Then let us mark all the units. Let's mark all the units. Just move the bar width to the front of or to the same row with diameter. Projection to same row with bar numbers. Horizontal bend the same row with foundation height. Then what next? Yeah, base cover the same row with column base. Yes, good. Okay. So I want to start with the formula box. Projection. Okay, I will show the projection you can use according to what I showed. As in you have 800 as the projection. Projection 800. Foundation height. To determine the foundation height, now to determine the foundation height, that will be, let's come down to the sketch. Let's come down to the sketch. That will be 150 plus this from here to here. It will be 150 plus 150. That will be 600 plus 465. Give us 1065, right? 1065. 1.065. Then horizontal bench. Let us use, not that, let us use, for example, if our column base mat center to center is 200 mm, let's show you that our column, our horizontal bend should be more than 200, because you have to add the sharp corner bend. I mean the one that's, you understand what I mean? The sharp corner bend that is in between the vertical and the one that rests on column base mat. Just use 50 mm for that one. Then the one that will lap, that we sit on color-based mat, let us use 250 so that it will project beyond the second top of the column-based mat. That will be 250 plus 250 plus 50, that is 300. So let us use 300 mm. So next, column base, we have 300 as column base. Let me show you 300 as a column base. Good. Then you have base cover. The base cover is the concrete cover. The base cover is a concrete cover that will be from this point to this point, that is 50 mm according to the way I explained when I start this tutorial. That is 50 mm plus, if the reinforcement bar for the column base mat is 12 mm diameter, that will be 12 mm times 2, bottom and top, that is 12 times 2, that is 24. It's 24 plus 50, that will give us 74 mm, right? Good. 74 mm. 74 mm. 74 mm. What is 0.74 and 74. No. Oh, sorry, didn't bring this up, the quantity. So now, the quantity that will be projection. Let us insert our property. Projection plus how many projection plus foundation height plus horizontal bend plus horizontal bend plus column base highlight it, round it up. After rounding it up, yeah, you now deduct the column base cover as you calculate it as 74 mm. Oh, sorry, I'm coming. I want to change something. This 74 mm. This 74 mm shouldn't be 0.74. It should be 0.074. I'm coming. So just insert column base cover. Highlight it, close the bracket, then multiply it with bar width, the unit of the quantity is kg. Now come down to our takeoff column. Come down to this. highlight it, read it. And now drag this our quantity and drop it at the formula box of the takeoff here. The unit in kg. The unit is in kg. According to what I said, this one is 0.074, very 74 mm, not 740 mm. So now, in addition, after you round up this projection, foundation height, horizontal bend, column base, minus the column base, and multiply with our point. Because the takeoff to use is can't, multiply it again with the bar weight. Let's check our form. So this is it. Reinforcement, scatter, column bar, diameter. You can change it to anyone you like. Understand? You can also change this one to anyone you like. You can edit the projection, edit this, edit this, edit it, edit it. Okay. So let us test it. Let us take off for column, for starter column bar. Let's go to home. So now, I want to check something here. We have, according to structural engineering, we have two numbers of type 2. We have 4 numbers of type 2, 2 numbers of type 3, 5 numbers of type 1, but as a quantity surveyor or a builder, I want to take off for the drawings, for the quantities on the drawings you are given. You have to double check these numbers of columns that you are given by the structural engineer. So now let us check this one out. You have 5 numbers of type 1, right? Just check it. You have 1, 2. Let me check it down. Column layout, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why 5 numbers? Good. Confirm. Out of this, 2 numbers of 230 by 230. 2 numbers. Just confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, no, 19. You have 19. Let me reconfirm. Let me confirm. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You have 20 numbers. You have 20 numbers. 20 numbers of type 2. Yes. Instead of 2 numbers. So for type 3 you have 20 numbers instead of 2 numbers. For type 2 you have 4 numbers here. Just confirm. For type 3, for type 2 you have 4 numbers. So just confirm. 300 by 300. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 numbers. And here 4 numbers of type 3 again. Just mix it up for type 2. Type 2. You have 20 numbers for type 3. Type 1 you have 5 numbers. Okay. Type 1 is more than 5. It's more than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. You have 6 numbers. Type 1. For type 1. Good. So now let's come down to our template column here. So I want to take off for starter column bar type 1. Just cancel. Let us check the diameter. 16. This one is 6 y. Okay, this one is y12. Let's start with column 1, y12, right? y12, y12, 6 numbers of it. Projection 800. You're using the same. You're using the foundation height that sketch out 1.065. Horizontal blend 300. Column base 300. Then column base cover 0.74. Each type of shape you want to use, you can use diamond. And also change the color to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press escape. Let us check it out in the legend. So it is 15.6 kg. Yeah, 16.6 kg. 6 kg. So of type 2, 16 mm. So this is the bar with 4 numbers. For type 2, type 2 is 6 numbers. Yes, type 2 is, just confirm. So I won't mix it up. Yes, type 2 is, it's not 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 numbers. And it's 16 mm diameter. You have system diameter bar width is 157. 8 numbers, projection same. So can you segment same color? So is here 3, 4, press escape. So let's check it out here. Can you see? This is it. So let's change, let me edit it. So I'm able to differentiate between it. Type 2. Type 1. 2. Or type 3. So 16 mm, change the bar width. 4 numbers using the same height. So first name it as type 3. Press OK. Press escape. Let's check the methods. So this is what we get. So this is what we get for the column starter bar.
Do you know that there are some stuff that some of us may not observe, but let me show you. Just double click on starter column bar. We have bar numbers, right? Good. Click on advanced. Let us come down to quantity. If we check this, and if you check the way we customize it, we didn't add bar numbers to it, and it is wrong. You have to add it to it. So now what I'm going to do now is that, first of all, this roundup, let us remove. You can still leave this one. The roundup, okay, cover this side. Okay, good. So now you can add it here. After you multiply this bar length, and when you deduct the base cover out of it, you multiply with the point count. So now just come down here. Let us multiply with its bar numbers. Space. Press OK. So we are done with this. With the with the starter column bar, as in to customize it. Yes, just click OK. So let us come down to what we take off. We see that it will increase, the quantity will increase here. We have 15.6, right? Double click on it here. Come down to advanced. Come down here. We have 15.59. Come down here. Click on this. At the front of base cover, multiply again with bar numbers. Press OK. Can you see now? You get 93.54. 93.54. Can you see? Same is applicable to this. Multiply it with the bar numbers. Okay. Can you see 147.75? Can you see? Double click on it. Same is applicable to this. Multiply it with bar numbers. Okay. Can you see? we get 369.38. So the little mistake that you may come across maybe when we are customizing our own template. So you have to double check when you are customizing it. Thanks for watching.